Hello, grade 5 learners! Welcome again to our English class. We are now in our English 5 Module 2, and our lesson for this week is about inferring the meaning of compound words using context clues. I am your teacher, Teacher Babylin R. Tolero. But before that, kids, please get your paper and your pen because let's start with our spelling time. We have 5 words to spell. So, let's get ready. Number 1, wristwatch. Again, wristwatch. Number 2, timetable. I will say it again. Timetable. Number 3, inference. Again, inference. And number 4, hyphenated. I'll say it again. Hyphenated. And number 5, synonyms. Again, synonyms. Are you done? Let's check your answer. Number 1, wristwatch. Let's spell this out together. That's W-R-I-S-T-W-A-T-C-H. Number 2, timetable. That's T-I-M-E-T-A-B-L-E. Number 3, inference. That's I-N-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Number 4, hyphenated. That's H-Y-P-H-E-N-A-T-E-D. Synonyms. That's S-Y-N-O-N-Y-M-S. Synonyms. Good job, kids! Do you still remember our lesson last week? Very good! It's about filling out forms accurately. We discussed and practiced how to fill out the deposit and withdrawal slips. What form or slip will you fill out if you want to keep or save money in your bank account? Correct! It's a deposit slip. What about if you want to get money in your bank account? What form or slip will you fill out? That's right, a withdrawal slip. Now, let's discuss our new lesson for this week. Some words are short. Some words are long. But some words are formed by combining them together. These words are called compound words. Before we move on to our lesson, let's try to answer page 2 of your self-learning module. Read the sentence carefully and do the following. Write in column A the compound word found in each sentence, while write in column B the correct meaning of the compound word. Write your answers in your answer sheet and let's begin. The first sentence is, I was outraged when I saw that bully pushing the smaller boy. What is the compound word of that sentence? What do you think it means? Is it A, interested, B, pleased, C, shocked, D, angered? Write down your answer and we'll check it later. Let's move on to the second sentence. The politician's plan has many drawbacks. The people rejected it. Did you find the compound word? Now, let's see if you know what it means. Is it A, advantages, B, problems, C, parts, D, supporters? Let's read the third sentence. I don't want to do a homework when I'm in the house. What do you think is the compound word of that sentence? Does it mean A, assignment, B, problems, C, goal, D, objective? Next number. My experience with the earthquake was horrible. The wall of our kitchen cracked. Write down the compound word from that sentence and choose its correct meaning from these words. A, typhoon, B, hurricane, C, tremor, or D, cyclone? For our last sentence, can you read it with me? Okay, let's start. During typhoons, classrooms are utilized as evacuation centers. What is the compound word in that sentence? Does it mean A, room in a house, B, part of a building, C, part of a house, or D, schoolhouse? Now, let's check your answers. The compound word of number 1 is outrage. The meaning of outrage is letter D, anger. Number 2. The compound word is drawback, and the meaning is on letter B, problems. Number 3. The compound word is homework, and the meaning is on letter A, assignment. Number 4. The compound word is earthquake, and the meaning is on letter C, tremor. And number 5. The compound word is classrooms, and the meaning is on letter D, schoolhouse. Wow! Great job, kids! You did it well. Now, let us unlock the important words before we proceed to our lesson. Synonyms are words that have the same or nearly the same meaning. Let's have our example found in your self-learning modules on page 2. The word classroom is synonymous to schoolhouse. Another example is the word outrage, which is synonymous with the word angered. When we say antonyms, these are words with opposite meaning. If the word outrage is synonymous with the word angered, its antonym will be the word pleased. Drawbacks is the opposite of advantages. Synonyms and antonyms are used as context clues to infer or guess the meaning of unfamiliar words in a given text. Today, we will further discuss about compound words, their types, and the ways to infer the meanings through context clues using synonyms and antonyms. Now, let's practice how to infer the meanings of unfamiliar words using synonyms and antonyms. Let's try to answer activity on page 3 of your self-learning module. This is what you're going to do. Identify the 5 compound words used in the paragraph. Write your answers in your notebook. The girls were halfway up the tree, and when the flat water hit it midway, they held on as tightly as they could. Reaching the hill crest, they saw the distraction made by the busted dam, including the trees and plants on the other hilltop. Have you found them all? The 5 compound words used in the paragraph are halfway, flood water, midway, hillcrest, and hilltop. Did you get all the answers right? Very good. Let's answer the next questions. Which word in the first sentence means the same as halfway? Correct. The answer is midway. Midway means the same as halfway. Now, let's answer the next question. Which word in the second sentence is synonymous with the word Hillcrest? Very good. The answer is hilltop. The word Hillcrest is synonymous with the word hilltop. The words halfway and midway, as well as Hillcrest and hilltop. How do you call these words? Synonyms or antonyms? Correct. These are synonyms. Very good, children. Now, in your self-learning module, you are going to answer activity number 1 on page 4 and activity number 2 on page 5. Now, look at this picture. What do you think it is? And do you want to go to this place? Well, let's see. Ice. Ice is a solid state of water. Berg. Berg means a mountain of glacier. When we join these words together, it will create a new word with a new meaning. The word iceberg is an example of a compound word. Compound words are words formed by putting 2 or more words together to create a new word with a new meaning. To understand the meaning of the compound words, it is important to know or understand the meaning of each word that makes up the new word. Compound words have 3 types. Raincoat is an example of a closed compound word. Closed compound word is written as one word with no space. Examples of closed compound words are newspaper, seaplane, and someone. Time zone is an example of an open compound word. Open compound word is written with space between words. Examples of open compound words are mother tongue, home port, and living room. Mother-in-law is an example of a hyphenated word. Hyphenated compound words are words connected by a hyphen. Examples of hyphenated words are son-in-law, passers-by, and name-calling. Again, compound words have three types, and these are closed compound words, open compound words, and hyphenated compound words. Kindly look at the activity on page 8 of your self-learning module. These are the directions. Copy the following chart in your notebook, then fill in the needed information based on the sentences below. The first one is done for you. Example: a playground is a place where children play. Playground is our compound word, and it is a closed compound word. Playground is a place where children play. So that's time. You are going to answer the activities on page 7, 8, and 9 on your self-learning module. Remember, compound words are words formed by putting two or more words together to form a new word with a new meaning. Compound words may be closed, written with no space, open, written with space between words, or hyphenated, connected by a hyphen. Now that you know the different types of compound words, maybe you will be curious how we could know their meaning. The meaning of compound words can be inferred using synonyms and antonyms. I hope you learned a lot of this week's lesson. I know all of you can do it. Thank you, and goodbye, children. See you next week.